when you buy one of your Husqvarna weed eaters, it depends on which one you purchase. This is your Husqvarna's here, and it depends on which one you purchase. But when you get one, they put this really difficult head on here. It's awkward. It doesn't hold a lot of your line, and it's difficult to restring. See this right here? Your string go in here, and they put this little guide in here, and you have to make sure that it's on here correctly for it to go down. Then when it's down, you got to make sure that your line is sticking out both sides. It's just a troublesome head that they put on these, and they want you to really just buy the head that is really easy, holds more line. You can change them out. You've seen some in a few videos with me where I'm changing or restringing. It takes around 2 minutes to string this one. The other ones, it doesn't take that long. So every time I purchase one, I take the head off and put another head on. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. See this hole right here? Can you see it? See that hole? You get you something like a screw or anything that can fit in this hole. That's a regular screw, and this here is just a drill bit. Just put in this hole, and this part here that's spinning has a hole in it as well, and once they line up, you're gonna see this go down. Okay, now once that lines up, you turn the head counterclockwise. This piece, your head comes off. So now you just put on your new head. I'm gonna go and get the head off another one. This is the head off of another one, and you put it on here, and you turn it clockwise. Now once it get tight, you have to do the same thing. Take your screw, put it in here till it locks. It just locked, and tighten it up. We're doing the tighten up. Okay, now once it's tight, the head is on. I'm gonna show you how easy this one is. With this head, you see here, it's easy to put on, easy to snap on, easy to string. Don't have to worry about all the little diagrams and stuff. So if you get your new trimmer, edge or weed eater, whatever you want to call it, and you need to change your head, just make sure you get something in that little hole there. Turn it counterclockwise to take it off, clockwise to put it back on, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.